My name is Owen at Carestream Medical, and what I wanted to show you today is something called a Scalpel Cric. So this is the kit. It's a Scalpel Cric kit, and it comes in a nice sterile pack, okay? Mine's not sterile because I've shown it a few times. But you open up the kit and you've got pretty much everything you need. There is your IFU right here. It's manufactured by a company called VBM Medical, and in Canada it's distributed by Carestream Medical. Different countries will be different distributors, but a very unique product. Like the joke that it even comes with a paint by numbers set. And hopefully you don't need that. When you pull the package out, you'll have a nice blue sterile package. You can open this package up, and what you're going to see is that everything is going to be laid out in the order you need it. So to begin with, you have your scalpel, which is number 10 scalpel. Then you're going to be inserting your bougie. Over top of your bougie, you're going to put your number 6 tube. Now what makes this a little bit nicer than your standard number 6 tube is that it actually comes with a locking flange. So you loosen this off, put it to where you want it. When you got it to the right level, after it's inserted of course, you can lock that flange, and she's pretty secure. After you use that, you're going to want to connect it to your bagger or to your anesthesia machine or whatever you're using. So they have a nice little high quality connector here with a little swivel in it. And there's even a little suction port here, or a bronchoscopy port, or an installation if you needed to instill them. Let me just cap that back up. Next, you're going to want to pull out a syringe to inflate your cuff, and some ties to tie it all securely in place. And then you go home because you've had a bad day, and so is your patient. So, nice product. It's got a 5-year shelf life. It's one of those products I sell that I kind of actually hope you don't have to use, because if you do, you had a bad day. Anyway, hope you found this information useful, and feel free to contact Carestream Medical in Canada or VBM Medical for distributors in other countries. Have a great day.